Hey folks, another helpful video. I just came across this wonderful resource called app.diagrams.net, where you can create very interesting diagrams which are animated in nature. For example, if I hop onto the website and I select networks, for example, and let's pick a normal one and create. Simple. It will ask you to save it somewhere, so I will just save it. Let's say save it to the diagrams. Okay, and then it will open up like this. Now what you need to do is to select drag and drop of your icons. One of the very interesting one which I really enjoyed and liked about is the animated one. So if I zoom out, now if you select any link, and then you can define the direction of flow. So this is very interesting. For example, if I want to send a flow of information from one device to another, I simply define the flow, and this will show you the flow from one device all the way to the other device, end-to-end flow. I think this is one of the most interesting diagram makers which are available and most simplified ones. I tried doing this in PowerPoint. This is doable in PowerPoint as well, by the way, but a lot of effort is required. But here it's much more simpler and gives you much more brighter insights. And on top of it, you can import the icons as well. For example, if you want to, a lot of icons are already available, but if you want to have new icons from some new vendor, you can simply import those icons as well. Use this tool, very nice one, quite a new update to the boring Visio and PowerPoint tools. I hope you will enjoy it and keep using it for your practical utilization. Thank you.